Hey, what's happening? It's Jared, aka Zeteo. Welcome to the channel, and welcome to the Beatmaker Theory series. Here we learn music theory by analyzing mainstream songs you may already be listening to, so that we get the most out of our productions and compositions. This time we're taking a look at Clean by Derek Minor. If you haven't already, check it out wherever you get your music. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you get something out of it, hit that thumbs up button. All right, let's get at it. Key is B minor. Tempo is 144 BPM. The only chord to speak of used is a B sus chord, which is really arpeggiated, and that's what makes up the melody. That chord is spelled B, E, F sharp. Sus is short for suspended and uses the fourth instead of the third in a root position triad. So in this case, it would be B, D sharp, F sharp to form a B major triad, and we just raise that third up to E. The melody in the hook is F sharp up to B, then B an octave down up to F sharp, an octave up, and ending on E. The melody is slightly different in the verse. Melody in the bass is B, B again, up to E, then up to F sharp, back to B, with a few rhythmic variations. So what's making this thing interesting happens to be the halftime effect at the start of the verse. Here we go from quarter notes to half notes, which gives us that halftime feel. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Okay, so at the hook we have a 2-bar phrase playing quarter notes for the first bar and then half notes in the second bar. Let's check it out. Okay, cool. Then the first 8 bars of the verse, the melody drops an octave, plays all half notes. Whoops. Cool. Okay, at bar 9 of the verse, melody goes back to the way it was in the hook. Also worth noting is that at that point they bring in a synth. Whoops, here's the synth, which holds out a beat to the next section. Cool. All right, now for the fun stuff. Let's experiment a little bit. Instead of half time, let's try double time. Okay, so actually that's not really double timing it. All that really did was keep it consistent, with what was already there, which was quarter notes. All right, but you get the idea with that. Now let's try eighth notes. Here we're going to play eighth notes, and then it'll go back to how it was. Let's see what that sounds like. Well, there you go. Let me know what you think. Simple change in tempo can add interest and keep the listener engaged without having to come up with new melodic or harmonic material. And that's what that's all about. Well, there you have it. That's all I have for you this time. Please leave a comment. Let me know if you've ever used this technique or plan to use it in the upcoming productions. Thanks for watching.